Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global barbecue grills market size was valued at $5.52 billion United States dollars in 2023 and is estimated to grow at CAGR of over 4% from 2024 to 2032. The market will cross $8.34 billion United States dollars valuation by 2032, as per a report by Global Market Insights. Increasing popularity of outdoor cooking and integration of smart technologies are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on product type, the gas segment was worth approximately $3.01 billion United States dollars in 2023. Based on application, the commercial application is holding a major revenue share of 63% in 2023, says this GMI report. Regionally, North America barbecue grills market size surpassed $1 billion United States dollars in 2023. Key players in the barbecue grills market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.